DIY natural cleaning solutions, crafting eco-friendly cleaners. Want a sparkling clean home without the harsh chemicals? Stay tuned for 11 easy DIY natural cleaning hacks using simple household ingredients. Imagine scrubbing your kitchen counters, inhaling fresh citrus instead of harsh fumes. That's the power of homemade, eco-friendly cleaners, safe, effective, and budget-friendly. Tip 1. Mix equal parts vinegar and water for an all-purpose cleaner. Add a few drops of lemon essential oil for a fresh scent. Tip 2. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer. Sprinkle it on carpets, wait 10 minutes, then vacuum. Tip 3. For a streak-free glass cleaner, mix 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Shake before use. Tip 4. Unclog drains with 1/2 cup baking soda, followed by 1 cup vinegar. Let it fizz, then rinse with hot water. Tip 5. Scrub tough grease with a paste of baking soda and water. Apply, let sit, and wipe clean. Tip 6. For a natural wood polish, mix 1/2 cup olive oil and 1/4 cup lemon juice. Buff with a soft cloth. Tip 7. Microwave smelling bad. Heat a bowl of water with lemon slices for 2 minutes. Wipe down for a fresh scent. Tip 8. Disinfect surfaces with a mix of hydrogen peroxide and water, safe, powerful, and non-toxic. Tip 9. Refresh your mattress by sprinkling baking soda, letting it sit for 30 minutes, then vacuuming. Tip 10. Remove odors from the fridge with a bowl of coffee grounds or baking soda, works like magic. Tip 11. Make a DIY air freshener by mixing water, essential oils, and a splash of witch hazel in a spray bottle. Disclaimer: always test homemade cleaners on a small surface before full application. Avoid mixing vinegar with bleach or ammonia.